everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Daniel. Hi, Sophie. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Daniel. Thank you. And you?
Honestly, I'm a bit nervous today.
Nervous? Why? What's wrong?
Well, today's topic is about something I really struggle with.
Oh, what is it?
Fear. Fear of speaking English.
Ah, I see. That's a very important topic.
It is. And I know I'm not alone. So many people feel this fear.
You're absolutely right. Millions of English learners feel the same way.
Exactly. So today, we're going to talk about it. How to overcome the fear of speaking English.
Perfect. This is going to help so many people.
I hope so. But before we start, everyone, we have a quick request.
Yes, if you're watching right now, please subscribe to English Podcast.
Hit that subscribe button. Join our community of learners. We're all learning together.
Exactly. And don't forget to like this video. It really helps us.
Thank you so much. Okay, Sophie, let's talk about this fear.
Yes. Let's help everyone feel more confident. So, Daniel, tell me, when do you feel most afraid to speak English?
Oh wow, where do I start? I feel afraid in many situations.
Like what? Give me an example.
Like when I'm in a meeting at work, everyone is speaking English fluently.
And you feel nervous?
Yes, I feel like everyone is judging me, like they're waiting for me to make a mistake.
I understand. That's a very common feeling.
Really? Other people feel this too?
Of course, even native speakers sometimes feel nervous when speaking.
Native speakers? Really?
Yes, public speaking is one of the most common fears in the world.
Wow, I didn't know that.
It's true, so you're not alone, Daniel, and neither is anyone watching this.
That actually makes me feel better.
Good. Now, let me ask everyone watching a question.
Yes, are you listening, friends?
Have you ever felt scared to speak English? Tell us in the comments.
Yeah, we want to know. What situation makes you most nervous?
Is it at work, at school, when talking to strangers?
Let us know. We read every comment.
Okay, Daniel. Let's talk about the first tip to overcome this fear.
Yes, please. I need all the help I can get.
Tip number 1. Remember that grammar is not everything.
Wait, what? Grammar is not important?
I didn't say it's not important. I said it's not everything.
What's the difference?
Well, many learners are so focused on perfect grammar that they forget to actually communicate.
Oh, I do that. I think too much about grammar and then I just freeze.
Exactly. You become paralyzed.
Paralyzed. That's the perfect word. I can't move. I can't speak.
Right. But here's the truth. Communication is more important than perfection.
Communication over perfection?
Yes. If people understand you, that's success, even if your grammar isn't perfect.
That's interesting. Can you give me an example?
Sure. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You say, "I want water, please."
Okay.
That's not perfect grammar. The perfect way is, "I would like some water, please."
Right.
But both work. The waiter understands you either way.
Oh, so I don't need to stress about being perfect.
Exactly. Focus on being understood, not being perfect.
Wow, that takes so much pressure off.
That's the goal. Less pressure, more speaking.
I love that. What's the next tip?
Tip number 2. Practice with yourself first.
Practice with myself? Like talking to myself?
Yes, it sounds strange, but it works.
How do I do that?
Stand in front of a mirror, look at yourself, and just talk.
About what?
Anything. Talk about your day. Describe what you see. Introduce yourself. That's weird, but I can try it. It's not weird. It's smart. You're building confidence in a safe space.
A safe space.
Yes, no one is judging you. It's just you and the mirror.
I like that. No pressure.
Exactly. And you can make mistakes. You can try again. You can experiment.
Okay, I'll try this tonight.
Good. Practice for just 5 minutes a day.
Just 5 minutes?
Just 5 minutes. That's all you need to start.
Okay, I can do that.
I know you can. Now let's talk to our viewers again.
Yes. Hey, everyone. Quick question.
Do you practice speaking alone or do you feel too shy to do it?
Tell us in the comments. We're curious.
And if you've never tried it, try it tonight. Then come back and tell us how it went.
Yes, we want to hear your experience.
Okay, Daniel, ready for tip number 3?
Always ready.
Tip number 3, record yourself speaking.
Oh no, I hate listening to my own voice.
I know, most people do, but it's so helpful.
Why? It just makes me cringe.
Because you can hear your mistakes. You can hear how you really sound.
And that's good?
It is, because then you can improve. You know exactly what to work on.
I never thought about it that way.
Try this. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute, then listen to it.
What should I talk about?
Anything. Maybe introduce yourself or talk about your hobbies.
Okay, then what?
Then notice what you can improve. Maybe your pronunciation, maybe your speed.
And then I record again?
Exactly. Record again, compare the two, see the improvement.
Oh, so I can actually see myself getting better.
Yes, it's very motivating.
I like that. It's like tracking progress.
Exactly, and progress motivates you to keep going.
Okay, I'll try this too.
Great. Now let's pause and talk to our audience again.
Good idea. Hey friends, another question for you.
Have you ever recorded yourself speaking English?
And if you have, how did it feel? Was it helpful?
Let us know. We love hearing from you.
Your stories inspire us to make more videos like this.
Absolutely. Okay, Daniel, let's move to tip number 4.
Yes, what is it?
Tip number 4, stop comparing yourself to others.
Oh man, I do this all the time.
I know, many people do.
I see someone speaking English perfectly and I think, I'll never be that good.
And that thought stops you from trying?
Yes, exactly. I just give up.
Daniel, that's the worst thing you can do.
I know, but I can't help it.
Listen to me. Everyone's journey is different.
What do you mean?
Some people have been learning English for 10 years, some for 2 years, some started as children.
That's true.
So comparing yourself to them is not fair. You're comparing your chapter 1 to their chapter 10.
Wow, I never thought about it that way.
The only person you should compare yourself to is you.
Myself?
Yes, compare yourself today to yourself last month. Are you better? Even a little bit?
Actually, yes, I think I am.
Then that's success. That's progress.
I like this way of thinking.
Good, because it's the healthy way. Focus on your own journey.
My own journey. I'll remember that.
Good. Now let's talk to our viewers one more time.
Yes. Hey everyone, we want to ask you something.
Do you compare yourself to other English speakers?
And does it make you feel bad? Or does it motivate you?
Tell us honestly. We want to know your experience.
And remember, there's no wrong answer. We're all learning together.
Exactly. Okay, Daniel, final tip.
The last one? Already?
Yes, tip number 5. Speak even when you're afraid.
Wait, that's the tip? Just speak?
Yes, just speak, even if you're scared.
But that's so hard.
I know it's hard, but it's the only way to overcome fear.
Really?
Yes, you can't overcome fear by avoiding it. You overcome it by facing it.
That sounds scary.
It is scary, but here's the secret. It gets easier every time.
Every time?
Yes, the first time you speak, you're terrified. The second time, a little less terrified. The 10th time, much easier.
So I just have to keep doing it?
Exactly. Practice, practice, practice.
But what if I make mistakes?
You will make mistakes. Everyone does.
And that's okay?
It's more than okay. It's necessary. Mistakes are how we learn.
I never liked making mistakes.
Nobody does, but mistakes are proof that you're trying.
Proof that I'm trying.
Yes, if you never make mistakes, it means you're not challenging yourself.
Wow, that's a different way to look at it.
It's the right way to look at it. Mistakes are your friends, not your enemies.
Mistakes are my friends. I'll try to remember that.
Good. Now let me ask you something personal.
Okay, what is it?
Can you remember a time when you were brave? When you spoke English even though you were afraid?
Let me think. Oh, yes, last month.
Tell me.
I was at a coffee shop. The barista was speaking English. I was so nervous.
What happened?
I ordered my coffee in English. My hands were shaking.
But you did it?
I did it, and you know what? She understood me perfectly.
See, you were brave and it worked.
Yeah, I was really proud of myself.
You should be. That's exactly what I'm talking about. You faced your fear.
I did, and it felt good.
That's the feeling we want everyone to experience.
Yes, everyone watching, you can do this too.
Absolutely. You're stronger than you think.
One more question for our audience, Sophie.
Of course.
Everyone, think about this. What's your biggest fear when speaking English?
Is it pronunciation, grammar, being judged?
Tell us, and we might make a video to help you with that specific fear.
Yes, your feedback helps us create better content for you.
So don't be shy. Comment below.
Well, Daniel, we've covered a lot today.
We really have 5 tips to overcome the fear of speaking English.
Let's review them quickly.
Okay, number 1, grammar is not everything. Focus on communication.
Number 2, practice with yourself in front of a mirror.
Number 3, record yourself and listen back.
Number 4, stop comparing yourself to others.
And number 5, speak even when you're afraid.
Perfect summary. Now, everyone, we have a final question for you.
Yes, this is important.
Tell us about one time you felt brave while speaking English.
It can be a big moment or a small moment. We want to hear it.
Leave it in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else.
Thank you so much for watching today, everyone.
We appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe to English Podcast.
And we'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Remember, you are braver than you think. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, friends.